Morning everyone. First and foremost, thank you so much Father Reynaldo Reyes for officiating our store blessing for the conceptstore.ph. So, good morning everyone, and of course, good morning Ayala Malls Feliz. Welcoming you all in behalf of the Concepcion and conceptstore.ph executives and team to our very first ever pop-up store here in Ayala Malls Feliz. I am Alonzo, your host for today, and I'm very honored and excited to host for you this very exciting and monumental milestone for conceptstore.ph. So we have a very short but exciting program for everyone here wherein we invite you to experience and try out firsthand some of the most in-demand home products from conceptstore.ph that are perfect for gifting this Christmas season. So we offer our items from some of the most trusted brands such as Carrier, Midea, Condura, Toshiba, and Shark and Ninjano. So before we move forward, of course, we'd love to acknowledge the presence of the following people here. Our CIC and Concepcion executives, Sir Jojo Concepcion, Sir Steven Santos, Sir Alfie Rodriguez, and Ms. Bea Taino. Of course, our partners who has partnered up with us to make this possible. The GM of Ayala Malls Feliz, Sir J.R. Talavera, and of course, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our CHRO, Sir Teddy Luis. So first and foremost, a big special thanks and to our partners and social media partners, Usapang Nanay Group, Orange Magazine, Corner Magazine, and the Manila Post, Modern Mama PH, Stamped and Scribbled, Gastronomy by Joy, Daddy O, Born Proud Mama, and of course, all of our special influencer partners for today. So I'd like to invite Sir Steven for a quick opening remarks.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Happy to have you here in our first milestone launch in a mall for conceptstore.ph. So Concept Store has been around for some time, but it's purely online. So this is us bringing our products, bringing our lineup of brands in the malls, and we're happy to partner with Ayala Malls for this first ever conceptstore.ph kiosk. We would like to invite you to try out the products, go around after the ribbon cutting, and please enjoy. People can brief you on all the products that we have, and please join us for the rest of the morning. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Sir Steve. So I'm very excited to officially invite all of our Concepcion and Concept Store executives, Sir Jojo Concepcion, Sir Steven Santos, Sir Alfie Rodriguez, and Ms. Bea Taino, and of course, all of our special guests, Ms. Kat Tolentino, Maan Salinda Season, Mary Chulina, and Ms. Abby Tabladillo for our ribbon cutting and grand opening ceremony. May we please ask for a warm round of applause as we set out their ribbon cutting ceremony. So we please set up here in front for the ribbon.
Where do we go? Picture first
Before we cut, may we please have a quick photo op.
Compress na lang. Sabay-sabay na po tayo mag-picture. Sabay-sabay po tayo. Smile po.
Picture po muna dito. Dito patingin.
Dito, smile po. Picture, okay na po kayo. Picture. Okay na po.
Okay, for a quick countdown, may you please ask everyone for a round of applause? Conceptstore.ph pop-up store is officially open in 3, 2, 1.